Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So as usual, every Sunday we ride from Kampala to Entebbe airport and back to Kampala, and the first sprint happens right in Entebbe, so whoever reaches Entebbe first takes the win. And today was full gas, lots of attacks, but I had the perfect lead out. I barely had to think, I just followed the wheel, kicked hard, and yeah, I took the win. So let's see how it all went.
Oh, halo. Tunaonyesha.